I'm so excited that we actually get to go to some races and record it today. Boba? Extra boba. You get the chocolate mountain. We get the chocolate mountain. Sheesh. 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 Your voices are too deep.
Look it. Found the boba. Huh? Should I eat it or not?
Yeah.
Just throw it out.
Why are you craving boba today?
Because I watched a YouTube video.
That's why?
And the boba fell on the seat.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
We're gonna become lottery winners.
Well, good.
Is that what we're getting next, babe?
No, I want an SUV.
For SUV? Nah.
How much is weird?
You think it's the Volkswagen one? Oh, look at the Audi one. 20 grand.
I will spend my money on a challenge.
On a Challenger, baby?
What's your name, bro? James. What's up? Hey, what's up, James? You sold me a car in Carrie Natalie's in Seaside. Pretty good, bro. Just looking around for another car, huh?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
A while back.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I was just looking at the SUV, see what you guys have out here.
So that guy sold us our very first family car, huh, babe?
Yeah.
It was the first commuter car that he had to take all the way to Ocean Mist, which was what, like 45 minutes away? We're gonna go watch. What are we gonna do later on tonight? What do we do on Friday nights?
Racers.
We like to go see the cars that go fast and that look nice, and they go to the parking lots here around our city, so we go looking for them sometime around like 8 to like 10 o'clock at night, and then we'll go watch the runs. We're gonna go get a car wash. Really needs to be cleaned. You guys ready for the rodeo this year?
Yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah. September, remember, it's September 22nd till the 26th.
You gonna wash the car by hand? Gonna be a lot of people?
I don't think so.
In the city we live in, this is what we're dealing with. Which is why we're going to the races tonight. Ooh, the cleaning is starting. This little Chewbacca, I love this little Chewbacca. We got it at the mystery spot in Santa Cruz, California. Awesome time. We went with Grandpa Boney. Comment down below if you've been to the mystery spot or if you've heard of it. We're off. Gonna be a lot of music bumping, hubby.
Somewhat.
Go see some cars. Shoebox along for the ride.
Daddy, can you bring it out real quick?
Crash already. He's all up in the mix right now. I know he got that video. Damn. Wait, that's the Challenger that got hit? That's the car that we saw at the car wash today. Literally took video of the back of it that said louder than your girl last night. What a small world.
It's so strong enough.